All right, so these questions are dealing with the pattern of I, and you should have it memorized that I is just equal to I squared is -1, I to the third is -I, and I to the fourth is +1. And this sequence just keeps repeating. So like I to the fifth is I to the sixth is equal to I to the -1, I to the seventh is equal to I to the eighth is 1, etc. Okay? So what we have to do is, the quickest way to simplify these expressions is to take that number and then divide it by 4 and figure out what the remainder is. So if I go ahead and divide that by 4, that's 5, subtract, that'll be 2, 502, and that gives me a remainder of 1. Okay, so anytime you have a remainder of 1, that's going to be in this row. Anytime you have a remainder of 2, that'll be in the second row. Anytime it's a remainder of 3, that'll be the third row. And anytime that it's a remainder of 0, or it divides evenly, that'll be the fourth row. All right, well, 2009 has a remainder of 1, so that means that I to the 2009 will just be I. Okay? So then we say plus I to the 2008. Well, 2008 would have a remainder of 0. Okay, because it's 1 less than 2009. So therefore, that would just become plus 1. All right. Now the last one right here, the minus I to the 2007. Well, I to the 2007 will be a remainder of 3, because again, it's just 1 less than 2008. And that will end up being -I. All right, but be careful because there's a negative in front, so it's -I. Well, what's a negative times a negative? That's a positive. So this is going to be I plus 1 plus I. I plus I makes 2I, so it'll be 2I plus 1, or answer choice A.